So when you're installing the bag, you need to make sure that this is turned the right way. So this side is rounder and the other side is flatter. So you have to make sure it's turned the right way, otherwise it won't go in. And you have to make sure it's snapped in all the way, otherwise when you turn it on, the bag will pop right off. So make sure that's secure all the way around. And then this zipper, that's another clue that you got it right. The zipper should be on the front of the unit. So you're going to unzip it and put your clothes in. So once you've unzipped it, if you go inside here, there is a handlebar that you're going to pull down, and you're just going to hang your hangers right on that handlebar. So again, you're going to hang the hangers right up on that bar, and then your clothes hang in there. Then you're going to zip it back up and turn the dial. There's a handy guide here that tells you, come on, focus in, how long to keep each type of clothing you have in there. So I'm going to try this first try with 2 shirts, a man's t-shirt and a lady's t-shirt. Make sure they're far enough apart that they both get some air. Oh, the armpit's a teeny bit damp, but otherwise it's completely dry. Nice.